The camera world got a little more exciting in April 2026 when Insta360 stepped onto the stage at NAB show in Las Vegas with something they'd been keeping under wraps for a while: the Luna series. It wasn't a full-on launch, more of a dramatic teaser. The cameras were literally shown behind frosted glass, with only select creators getting early hands-on time. The Insta360 Luna Pro and Luna Ultra are the company's first pocket gimbal cameras, co-engineered with Leica, and they're clearly built with one goal in mind: to give DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 and the newly announced Pocket 4 Pro a real fight. For years, DJI has more or less owned the pocket gimbal camera space. The Osmo Pocket lineup has been a go-to for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who want cinematic quality footage in a small, handheld package. But with DJI facing limited availability in the US market due to regulatory pressures, Insta360 spotted an opening, and they went all in. The Luna series isn't just a Me Too product. It brings genuinely fresh ideas to the table, from a modular design that's unlike anything we've seen before to a dual-lens setup that DJI is only just catching up to. Let's break down what these cameras are actually about. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. The Luna Ultra leads with a 1-inch CMOS main sensor capable of shooting 50-megapixel stills and recording up to 8K video. Though whether 8K will be available at launch or arrive via a software update is still a bit unclear. What's not in question is the image quality foundation. The 1-inch sensor is paired with a 20mm equivalent wide-angle lens that has a 155-degree field of view, making it ideal for sweeping landscapes, immersive POV footage, or anything where you want to capture a lot of the scene in front of you. The second lens on the Ultra is a 70mm equivalent telephoto, sitting on a slightly smaller one over 1.3-inch sensor, still larger than what you'd find in most action cameras. And it brings dedicated zoom capability that the DJI Pocket 4 doesn't offer at all. One detail that stands out is that both lenses on the Ultra can record at the same time. That dual simultaneous recording is a big deal for multi-angle content, cutting the need for a second camera or a complicated multicam setup. The Luna Pro, meanwhile, sticks with a single wide lens but still benefits from the same 1-inch sensor and Leica optics as its bigger sibling. This is where the Ultra really flexes. Leaked spec sheets point to 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, which puts it well beyond what the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 offers in terms of slow motion. For sports shooters, action creators, or anyone who likes capturing fast-moving scenes in buttery smooth slow motion, that's a significant advantage. The camera also supports 10-bit iLog color with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, meaning it can hold on to detail in both highlights and shadows. Handy when you're shooting in tricky lighting like golden hour or mixed indoor and outdoor scenes. There's also Dolby Vision HDR support, which makes the footage look exceptional on modern displays right out of the camera. And for those who care deeply about audio, especially run-and-gun creators who don't always have time to deal with external mics, the Luna Ultra reportedly supports 32-bit audio recording with directional capture. That's a level of audio headroom that gives you a lot of flexibility in post-production, even if the audio on set wasn't perfectly controlled. Insta360 is calling it a twist modular design, and the concept is genuinely clever. The gimbal head can detach from the handle, allowing the camera to function in different configurations depending on what you're shooting. More dramatically, the front display and control module, which features an OLED screen, can also detach from the camera body and work as a wireless remote control. That means you can set the camera down, step in front of it, and use the detached screen to frame and adjust your shot without needing a separate phone or monitor. For solo creators, this is a game changer. The control layout has also been clearly thought through with real shooters in mind. There's a dedicated zoom lever and a thumb joystick for controlling the gimbal. Physical controls that let you make precise adjustments on the fly without hunting around a touchscreen. That joystick alone is the kind of feature that pro users will appreciate immediately. On the battery side, the Ultra uses a dual battery system where the main camera body and the detachable module each carry their own power source. Each is tracked and displayed separately, and you can swap or charge one without interrupting recording on the other. The estimated runtime is around 1 hour and 32 minutes, which is respectable for a camera this compact with this many features running simultaneously. Both models come in two color options, a matte black and a striking black and white panda colorway that's already generating a lot of attention online. The Luna Pro is the more straightforward of the pair. It uses a single lens design and is expected to be the more affordable entry point into the Luna lineup. Think of it as the option for creators who want the Leica optics, the large sensor, and the professional video quality without all the bells and whistles of the flagship model. The Luna Ultra is where things get really interesting. It's a dual-lens camera with a dedicated telephoto module alongside the main wide lens, giving it a zoom capability the Pro simply doesn't have. It also packs in more features overall, a modular body that can literally be taken apart, a detachable display that doubles as a remote control, dual batteries, and a stack of AI-powered shooting tools. If the Pro is the practical everyday option, the Ultra is the one built for creators who want maximum creative control. Both cameras share some important fundamentals. They each feature a large 1-inch sensor, a bright f1.8 aperture, a variable focal length, support for 10-bit color, and, importantly, Leica co-engineering. Insta360 isn't just slapping the Leica name on a box. The partnership involves full-chain calibration, meaning Leica has had a hand in tuning the optics, the color science, and the iLog color profiles from start to finish. That's the same kind of deep integration you see with Huawei and Leica on smartphones, and it shows up in the signature Leica look, natural tones, smooth color transitions, and a rendering style that's notably different from what you'd get out of a standard action camera. AI and smart features Insta360 has packed the Luna Ultra with a full suite of AI-powered tools. Deep Track subject tracking is on board, letting the camera follow a moving person or object automatically, useful for solo shooting or sports coverage. Creative modes like dolly zoom and bullet time give you cinematic effects without needing fancy editing software or additional gear. The stabilization system combines a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with Insta360's own 6-axis flow state electronic stabilization, so your footage stays smooth even during fast movement or handheld walking shots. Here's where things get a little eyebrow-raising. Insta360's CEO, Liu Jingkang, took to Weibo to directly address pricing confusion and confirmed that the Luna Ultra will cost around $780 body-only in the US, with the full creator bundle hitting around $960. He acknowledged that pricing is higher outside China due to import taxes, but made clear that the leaked lower figures simply don't apply to Western markets.